Yo, what's up?
So the Jollibee arrived.
Yeah, so wala kaming maluto, kaya wala tayong malutong food. Kaya nag-order na lang kami ng food outside. So, deliver na siya dito sa bahay, mga lods.
Yeah,
and kukunin na namin siya. Spaghetti, I think.
Yes,
and what?
Chicken also.
Yeah, let's see. So, kukunin namin yung food ni Riley dahil walang maluto si Mami. Riley, wait! Wow!
Jollibee.
Shukran, tare! Sige.
I love.
Oh, you hold it.
I love Jollibee.
Oh.
I love Jollibee.
It's heavy. Down. Hawakan mo sa baba. Sa baba. Yan. Okay. So that our food, kasi walang naluto si Riley.
So I'm hungry.
Yeah.
So let's check it out.
Okay, let's check it out. Anong na-order ni Mami kaya? What do you think?
Spaghetti and chicken.
Spaghetti and chicken?
Oh, this is so heavy.
Yeah, I will carry it. So, let's
Oh,
eat it.
this is so yummy.
Hey, what do you think? What do you think inside? It's big, man, and heavy.
Yeah, so it's spaghetti and chicken. All of the stuff. And I
Yeah.
want to eat.
So hungry, man. Open it. Come on, let's go. Let's see what's inside.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
Wow.
See, I'll show you. See, some chicken.
Wow. You like that?
Yeah, I like it.
This spaghetti, I think.
Yeah, it is the
And
spaghetti.
peach mango.
Yeah, so yummy.
Whoa.
Chicken.
Chicken.
Where's the fork? I
Whoa,
need the
there's a
fork.
lot of chicken.
Can I
Oh,
eat
here's your
this
spaghetti.
Wow. Chicken and like that.
Oh.
Spaghetti.
Isa tayo ng spaghetti.
Spaghetti. Wow, it's a lot of spaghetti, man. Another chicken.
Can I please? Can you please?
Peach
open
mango.
Yeah.
Okay, come on, let's eat, man. Sabi mo, Riley. Let's eat, guys.